Struggling to talk about your job in English? Watch this simple conversation and learn all the phrases you need to sound confident at work or with friends. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too. Hey, I've been meaning to ask, what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a school. What about you?
I work as a software engineer at a tech company.
That's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it. It can be challenging sometimes, but it's fun.
That's great. I enjoy teaching too. I love helping students learn English.
How many hours do you work every day?
I usually work from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Oh, that's good. I work from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Do you work from home or in the office?
Mostly from the office, but sometimes I work from home. What about you?
I work at the school every day, but sometimes I do online classes.
Who do you usually work with?
I work with other teachers and the school staff.
I work with programmers and my manager. We have team meetings every morning.
That sounds interesting. What's the most challenging part of your job?
Meeting deadlines can be stressful. And you?
Managing many students at the same time is challenging for me.
Do you enjoy your work overall?
Yes, I love teaching. It makes me happy.
That's good. I also love my job, especially when my code works perfectly.
That's a good feeling. How do you usually spend your lunch break?
I usually eat lunch with my colleagues. And you?
I usually eat alone and check emails.
Do you have any plans to change your job in the future?
Not now. I want to gain more experience first.
That's smart. I feel the same. It's nice talking about work with you.
Yes, it is. Let's meet again soon and talk more.
Sure. See you next time.
Bye.